How to delete a Wix website. So in order to delete a Wix website that you have, you first need to head over to your all sites. In order to locate this, you can just click onto this drop down and then from in there click onto this go to all sites option. Now this is what that will look like. So in order to delete a site, you just need to hover or locate that particular site that you want to delete. I have in here this VM how. Now into this part, click onto these three dots. And in here, you can see this option to move to trash. Do take note that when you move this to trash, it will only be kept there for 90 days. And when it exceeds that, this will permanently delete this particular site. Now let's head over and click onto this move to trash option. And then after that, this should be able to move this to trash, which essentially deletes it. And on 90 days after it, it will be permanently deleted. So that's how you delete a Wix website. Hope we help.